Emily's home. Back again from where she was born. It's 6:30 on the, what day is it? Friday the 30th, November 30th. And she's been such a good girl. And we're here to see her brother. We missed Jacob, huh, Emily?
We're home.
Yay! Hi, Jacob!
Hey, buddy.
Yay! Let's go see her. Hi! I need a kiss.
She does have little hiccups.
Yeah! Mama does. Oh, Mama does. Oh, he's so excited. Oh.
Yay!
Oh, Jacob's so excited. Jacob's so excited.
I need a kiss. I need a kiss. What'd you
Hey,
say?
buddy.
Friday.
Give me a kiss.
Karate.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Come on.
Oh.
We're home now, buddy.
Closet?
Hey, your sister's
Back?
over here, you know.